Did you connect an external hard drive to your PC with Windows and it doesn't show up or tell you it's not compatible? Don't worry. In this video, I'll teach you step by step how to format any external hard drive that was used on Mac to make it work perfectly on Windows. Now we're going to head to our file browser, then we click on this computer. We right-click, show more options, select manage. Now we're going into disk management. We're going to expand the screen here. And now we have here a list of the disks that we have connected to our computer. On disk 0 appears our main disk, which is usually the internal disk of our computer. Then we get another record. In my case, it is the external disk that I have connected. This external disk used it with Mac.diet. And when formatting this disk inside Mac, it is formatted in a format that can only be used on computers with MacOS Die. So what we're going to do is format it again, so we can use it on Windows, since it does not currently appear here on the devices. So the first thing we're going to do is locate it by size. It is very important to remember that in this process, all files that are on our external disk will be deleted. So what we're going to do now is select the main partition. Let's right-click and we'll select to remove volume. We say yes, and now we have an unallocated space. Now from this unallocated space, let's create a new partition. We're right-clicking and select New Simple Volume. Next. Next. We assigned him a letter. Next. Now here is very important, this step. If this disk is only going to be used on Windows, I recommend you leave the NTFS format to make file transfer faster. If you plan to use this external disk on Mac and Windows at the same time, I recommend you leave the NTFS format to make file transfer faster. In this way, you will be able to use the external disk on Windows and Mac without needing to be formatting, and you're going to be able to transfer files between both operating systems. I'm going to leave it at exFAT because I want to use it that way on Windows and MacOS. I'm going to put here a name and click Next. Finish and finish. Now we get this message. We just canceled. We click on OK. Let's check the file browser and it already appears. As you can see, it already appears here. But apparently there was a small mistake. We're just heading here to the File Explorer. And we're going to try to open our external disk. Tells us we have to format it. Let's format it. Select the format we choose. In this case, mine. That it's exFAT. I'm going to put a name here. Start. OK. And ready. Now yes, my external disk appears here and I can already use it correctly here on Windows. As you can see directly, I can already store files on this external disk. If this method worked for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment on this video to continue viewing more content like this. Also, don't forget to leave your like in this video. I'll see you in the next video.